Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now select passwords and security. Click on face unlock section and enter your current login method. Following that, read the disclaimer, choose Start, read the intention pop-up and tap on Next after 5 seconds. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can even name your face data however you wish to, and then save it by tapping on Done. Over here, adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and then click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen, and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete it though, you need to access exactly the same settings. Enter your current login method and tap on your current face data. Now choose Delete Face Data and tap on OK. To add it again, choose Add Face Data and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!